Hello everyone. Today we're diving into how you can achieve financial freedom. In this video, we're going to explore the essential steps you need to master personal finance and set yourself up for a life of prosperity and security. Understanding personal finance is more than just keeping your spending in check. It's a fundamental tool for empowerment. By gaining financial literacy, you equip yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions, paving the way for financial independence and a stable future. The foundation of personal finance is setting clear, achievable goals. Whether it's buying a home, saving for retirement, or establishing an emergency fund, defining what you want to achieve is the first step. Start by writing down your short-term and long-term goals. Be specific and realistic with your timelines and amounts. This clarity will drive your financial decisions and help prioritize your actions. Next, visualize these goals. Creating a vision board or a detailed spreadsheet can make these goals more tangible and motivating. Remember, each goal should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Lastly, review and adjust these goals as your circumstances change. Life is unpredictable, and flexibility is key to staying on track with your financial objectives. Effective budgeting is crucial for managing your finances. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor these details closely. Next, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings, debt repayment. This classification will help you prioritize and make necessary cuts to non-essential spending. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule for a balanced budget. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% towards savings or debt repayment. Also, consider using the envelope system for cash expenses to prevent overspending. Regularly review your budget to adjust for changes in your financial situation. Consistency in budgeting will not only help you live within your means, but also set aside money for your future goals. Saving money is essential, but investing is what truly grows your wealth. Start with building an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses, providing a safety net for unforeseen situations. Once this is secure, focus on investing. If you're new to investing, start small with mutual funds or index funds that offer diversification and lower risks. Understand the basics of the stock market, real estate investments, and retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Always do your research or consult with a financial advisor to match your investments with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience and consistency are your biggest allies. Reinvest dividends and profits to take advantage of compounding, which is the key to building wealth over time. Managing debt is integral to achieving financial freedom. Start by listing all your debts, including credit card balances, loans, and mortgages. Focus on high-interest debts first, as they are the most costly. Utilize strategies like the debt snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first for quick wins that motivate you to tackle larger debts. Alternatively, the debt avalanche method focuses on paying down debts with the highest interest rates first. Consider consolidating your debts through a personal loan or balance transfer credit card to lower interest rates and simplify payments. Always make more than the minimum payments to reduce interest costs and shorten the debt payoff period. Remember, avoiding new debt while paying off existing ones is crucial. Keep your credit usage low and spend within your means. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Diversifying your income can provide financial security and boost your savings rate. Consider starting a side business, investing in real estate, or picking up freelance work relevant to your skills. Online platforms offer numerous opportunities to create passive income streams, such as writing ebooks, creating online courses, or affiliate marketing. Each additional income stream acts as a financial buffer and accelerates your path to financial freedom. Remember, it's important to manage these ventures wisely. Keep track of all income and expenses and reinvest profits to grow your businesses. Over time, these additional income sources can significantly contribute to your financial goals and provide more stability in your financial life. As you build wealth, protecting your assets becomes crucial. Ensure adequate insurance coverage for health, life, property, and liability. Each type of insurance safeguards you and your family against significant financial losses in different scenarios. Additionally, consider setting up an estate plan, including wills and trusts, to manage your assets after your passing. This is particularly important if you have dependents relying on your financial support. Regular reviews of your insurance coverage and estate plans are essential as your financial situation evolves. This proactive approach not only secures your financial well-being, but also ensures that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to maintaining and growing your wealth. Make a habit of reading financial news, following market trends, and updating yourself on new financial laws and products. Consider attending workshops, webinars, and conferences on personal finance and investing. Learning from financial experts and networking with like-minded individuals can provide insights and opportunities that are not apparent from the outside. Embrace changes and adapt your financial strategies accordingly. Remember, lifelong learning is the cornerstone of sustained financial success. Thank you for joining me on this journey through mastering personal finance. We've covered setting financial goals, budgeting effectively, saving and investing wisely, managing your debts, building multiple income streams, protecting your assets, and the importance of continual learning. Start applying these strategies today and take a step closer to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. Remember, every step you take is a move towards a more secure and prosperous future. Take control, and let's make your financial freedom a reality.